I'm going to open it. On the back it says Skincare Magic, which is really cute. So yes, let's open it. Really cute packaging. And it says, Dear Shriya, I really hope you enjoy this Natur Kosmetikk Gua Sha, Tommy, the founder. It's very cute. You couldn't see that earlier. Yeah. So, here's the actual thing. Okay, while opening it halfway, I realised it says Natur Kosmetikk. So if I said it wrong, I apologise. But it's this. So let's open it again. But yes, it's here. Look, it's really cute. So let me put it back in my bag. And it tells you how to use it, which is really cute. So I'll be using it today, and obviously over the next couple of months, weeks, whatever. And yeah.